lost my best friend.
Boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and now that we're kind of done with the whole prep series and prep vlog, I kind of wanted to get into some food making videos, some cooking videos for you guys, give you a little bit of bodybuilding, meal recipes, anabolic recipes, things like that, things of that nature. So I wanted to kickstart this, I don't know if I'll make it a full-on series, but I wanted to kickstart these videos with one of my favorite post-workout meals. It's going to be sort of a chicken fried rice, more or less, without the oil. I don't really want to have the oil on it. So basically everything that's gonna be in it, I'll show you right now. So got some pre-cooked rice right here, got some chicken prepared right here, we got some low sodium soy sauce, we got some pre-diced yellow onions, we got some mushrooms, we're gonna use 1 egg, and we have some baby spinach because spinach is my preferred form of greens. That's what I like. So first things first, I already started preheating the pan over here. As you can see, preheated right there. It's on a low heat. First things first, guys, we gotta tie the hair back. Make sure hair doesn't get in the food. Hopefully this will help you guys out, and you guys will get some ideas for your meal preps or just to have some general post-workout, pre-workout meals and stuff like that. So first things first, guys, we're gonna need about 2 ounces of chicken. I like to go with about 2 ounces. Obviously the amount of stuff will be determined by you, not me. This is just what I have been using lately, so I'm gonna use 2 ounces of chicken. So we're gonna measure that right now. Hands are already washed. It's gonna be about 120 grams of rice, or maybe slightly under a cup of rice. Okay, and we got that. In the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put a little bit of Pam spray on the pan, just a little splash, a little spray, and I'm gonna put just a little bit of soy sauce because this is what we're gonna be flavoring our meat and rice with, the soy sauce. So again, this is gonna be on a low heat. Here, okay. Some soy sauce, nothing crazy. Maybe like 2 or so tablespoons. I don't really measure my onions, they're super low calorie. I only put like a splash of them, so it's a little bit of onions. Boom, just like that. A little bit of mushrooms. I'm gonna take maybe 2 or 3 mushrooms and just break them up into little pieces, little bite-sized, tiny little pieces, okay? These are already pre-washed, by the way. Can you see me? Hi. Boom, boom, boom. Next thing we're gonna do is, instead of outright putting the baby spinach in with everything together first, I'm just gonna take a handful of spinach. I don't measure my spinach. It's like 7 calories per cup or something like that. It's like, why would you waste your life measuring how much spinach you're eating? I mean, it's almost 0 calories. So anyways, we're gonna throw just a handful or so of spinach in here, start pre-cooking so it can reduce some of that volume a little bit before we put in the rice and everything. Now we stir just a little bit, let that cook. Okay, it's reduced in size just a little bit. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in all of our ingredients, minus the egg. We're gonna add that in just a second. Put all our ingredients in together. We're now going to let that cook just for a little bit. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're going to take 1 whole egg. We're gonna crack it open in there and just scramble it up. You could pre-scramble it if you want. I don't particularly care. Just scramble it up a little bit, break that yolk. Make sure to mix it up all together in the rice and the chicken. Let it soak up into all the ingredients. Spread out evenly. If you want, at this point, you can add a splash more of soy sauce to taste. These meals are tailored to my specific goals. I'm having a slice of protein cheesecake with this, which we'll save that for another video on how to make those. But you can always add more chicken if you need more protein, add more eggs if you need more fats and protein, or add more veg if you want, add vegetables of choice. Obviously, it's going to be up to you to track what you need for your specific goals. So, can't burn myself. Keep stirring, just mix it up. A splash of salt, 1, 2, 3, something like that. Nothing crazy because we already got the low sodium soy. You have low sodium soy, but then you add salt. I mean, doesn't that defeat the purpose? Anyways, I'm not super picky on my sodium intake, that's why. This is a solid post-workout meal right here. And on top of it, it tastes good too. Turned off the heat. Now I'm gonna put this in here. And voila. Boom. All right, thumbnail time. All right, folks, time for the official taste test. And this is a more or less chicken fried rice, Christopher Barnett style. It's got rice, egg, chicken, spinach, onions, and mushroom. That's what I like to put in for my toppings. So you guys can put whatever you want in, and you can adjust the portion sizes accordingly based on your goals. So here we go. That soy sauce is immaculate. What a funkin'. Trust me, guys, give this a shot, especially post-workout when you're super hungry. I'm gonna eat this up really quickly. All right, guys, so I'm gonna finish this up. My dad's waiting to turn the TV on because I want to record this cooking video, so I'm gonna let him turn the TV back on. But give this recipe a shot, guys. Again, I'm not a chef. It's just a quick, simple bodybuilding meal recipe that I like and that works for me for a post-workout meal. Give it a shot, give it a go. Let me know how you guys like that. If you guys want to see more cooking videos, more vlogs, more fitness advice, etc., please smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and as always, guys, stay gold.